Are you tired of sharing passwords with your whole team or constantly forgetting them yourself? Well, then 1Password is the simple fix that you've been looking for. How we manage passwords without actually sharing them. In this video, I'll walk you through why it's so useful for teams and give you a step-by-step look at how to set it up for your business. Let's start with ease of use. One master password, unlimited access. 1Password is designed to feel easy even if you're not super techy. Employees get a single login and then they can access all the tools you've approved for them. You won't have to send passwords over Slack, email, or sticky notes anymore. And when someone leaves the company, you can remove their access instantly. No more changing 10 different passwords. How to get started with 1Password teams. When you first set up 1Password for your business, you'll create a team account and invite employees by email. Once they're in, all they need is their one master password. And from there, they can log into everything you've shared with them. Team access and control. Here's where it gets powerful. You can create vaults that are basically folders for different teams. For example, marketing could get access to Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn. Sales gets access to HubSpot, and developers get access to GitHub. You decide who gets access into which vault, so not everyone has to see everything. And the best part is, team members don't even need to see the actual password. They can log into 1Password without ever actually seeing the credentials. And that means if they leave, they don't take your logins with them. How to create and share vaults. Inside your 1Password dashboard, just click New Vault. Give it a name like Marketing or Sales. Then drag your accounts into that vault. You can then choose which employee gets access to which vault. Let's talk about security benefits. Stronger security means less stress. Of course, security is a huge deal. 1Password uses encryption so that even if somebody got into your account, they couldn't see the data without the master key. It can generate strong, unique passwords for every tool you use. So you're not reusing the same one over and over again. And it works across all devices, so your team can access what they need to on a desktop or a mobile without compromising security. What if you're on a device without 1Password, like a new computer or a smart TV? No problem. You'll get a phone notification, just unlock with Face ID or your fingerprint, tap approve, and you're in. How to generate strong passwords. To create a stronger password, just click Generate Password when creating a new login. 1Password will instantly make a long random one for you and then save it securely in the right vault. How to recover a master password. If someone forgets their password, all the admin has to do is go to their account details page and click Begin Recovery. The person gets an email with a button that says Recover My Account. From there, they create a brand new secret key and a new master password. The admin then gets a notification to complete the recovery, and once that's done, the person's account is ready to use again. All they need to do is reauthorize their devices and they'll have full access just like they did before. Why it matters for companies. There are hidden costs for bad passwords. If you've ever tried running a team without a tool like this, you know just how messy it can get. You can waste time chasing down logins, you worry about ex-employees still having access, and you risk accounts getting hacked because people used weak passwords. With 1Password, all that stress can go away. It's basically like having a secure hub for your company's digital key. How to remove access in one click. For example, if someone leaves your company and you want to remove their access, all you have to do is click on the person you want to remove, go to More Actions, and you can either delete user or suspend user depending on if the person is coming back or not. So make passwords simple again. If your team is juggling logins or you're nervous about security, 1Password is worth checking out. It keeps your accounts safe, gives employees the access they need, and can save you a ton of headaches. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want us to cover how we use other tools in our agency.